what do you do?
Yeah.
What do, you know? I wish I knew. I wish someone said you're going to get between 10 and 12 inches in your first floor. Then you could guess, you know, but no one knows. We're moving about 70% of our house out. We're having trucks come. That's how bad it's going to be. It's going to be about 2 feet higher than it was 2 weeks ago. And it was only 2 inches shy of the first floor 2 weeks ago. So that means 1.5 feet of water in the living space. Yeah.
What you're doing with the computer, and I also called Mike Gacy, the insurance guy. He wasn't there, but the girls couldn't have him call back. I asked what exactly do they cover in the homeowners with stuff like this, so that we know what we have to take care of, because
I know they cover.
Well, and plus the thing is if it's going to be 2 feet higher, how much does that mean it's in the house? Is it a foot in the house? Does that mean 2 feet or 4 feet in the house? I mean, because
we were told if you cut the roof off the house and tipped it upside down, everything that fell out isn't covered. My electrician's estimate, construction guy's estimate, all these stairs will be replaced, and the plumber's estimate, boiler hot water heater. So all 3 estimates have not been sent yet. And I still have to wait 6 to 8 weeks for a check. And now we're getting another flood, so it's going to be, well, I don't know if it could be 2 claims. I don't know. We're confused. We've never been through this before. It's a nightmare. And it's physically exhausting. I have to stop work. I'm losing money. Mortgage is due. It's just all that drama, you know. We'll get through it, but it's just, it's absolutely disheartening. But everyone's going through it, so we're all feeling that.